In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Google Drive Grok Ai. By the end, you'll have Grok securely linked to your Google Drive so you can work with your files without leaving the app. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're on your Grok workspace or home screen. If you're asked to sign in, that's normal. Just proceed so Grok knows it's you. Next, look for the option labeled Connect Google Drive. It's usually in the integrations area or clearly visible on the main page. Click it to start the secure connection process. Right after that, you may see a second prompt or confirmation with the same label. Go ahead and click Connect Google Drive again. Think of the first click as telling Grok what you want to connect, and the second as confirming you're ready to authorize it. You'll be taken to Google's sign-in flow. Select the Google account you want to link to Grok. If you use multiple accounts, choose the one that actually stores the files you want Grok to access. If your organization manages your account, make sure you pick the work profile that has permission to connect to third-party apps. After choosing the account, you'll see Google's consent screen. This page explains exactly what access you're granting. For this integration, Grok requests limited drive access so it can create, open, and work with files you choose. It does not get blanket access to everything in your drive, only the items you allow. Review the details, and when you're comfortable, click Continue to approve. Once you click Continue, Google securely hands things back to Grok and finishes the link. You should be returned to Grok automatically, and the connection will show as active. From here, Grok can work with the drive files you share with it, following the permissions you just approved. A few quick tips in case you run into snags. If nothing happens after you click Connect, check whether your browser blocked a pop-up and allow the Google window to open. If you use multiple Google accounts, signing out of extras or using a dedicated browser profile can help you pick the correct one cleanly. And if your company has strict app permissions, you may need an admin to enable this integration before you can proceed. That's it. You went to Grok, started the integration, confirmed the connection, chose the right Google account, and approved on the consent screen. Your Google Drive is now connected to Grok, and you're ready to put it to work.